So we put in these pedestrian hybrid beacons when we want to make sure that we're providing an opportunity for people walking and biking to safely cross a wide roadway like 1792. Very much like other signals and lights you might see. Yellow means kind of slow down, yield, let's check out what's going on. Red means stop. When that light starts flashing red, you need to be at a stop, but then you can start proceeding if there are no people walking or biking in the area.
It's all about pedestrian safety. And so much of the work that we do, we can make these kind of engineering improvements. So this will go a long way in helping us with the Vision Zero efforts and getting to that. You know, the goal of that is zero. I mean, that's the target. 0 deaths and serious injuries.
This is a great addition to Seminole County. This is the first hybrid beacon in the county. It will help tremendously with safety, especially after widening the road.